Hey folks, got me a new belt and disc sander, and I'm gonna try it out first. This comes from Harborfreight. It's the 4x36 inch and 6 inches belt and disc sander. It's got the adjustable belt, sands inside and out curves, 6-inch disc for fast stock removal, cast aluminum table, tilts to 60 degrees for use with belt or disc. A reliable 3/4 horsepower motor. It's got something under that I can't see. Prevents stalling. Miter gauge for beveling and steel motor housing. Alright, what I read about this before I purchased it, this is the cheapest one Harborfreight has. And I think it's probably good enough as is for what I need it for. But a lot of people say it don't have enough power because when you press down the belt stalls. Well, I started reading the reviews and I saw where some guy said he bought one just because he read about it and he saw all the comments about it not having enough power, but then he saw that it had a 3/4 horsepower motor, and he said that's more than his 5-ton air conditioner has or something like that. So he knew that problem had to be somewhere else other than the motor. So he bought it, and what he did was loosen the motor mount bolts and just scoot it back a little bit, and he said now he don't have that problem no more. Let's see what let's set this on this chair. Get it out there. See what all it comes with here. Comes with a sanding disc pad. Instructions. The disc. I didn't think I was going to have to put it together. Alright, let me get this put together and then I'll get back with y'all. Alright folks, I got her put together. We're going to find a piece of wood that I don't need. I'm going to see if I got the same problem that everybody else has with it. Alright, there's 4 bolts on the bottom of the motor right there. 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. And that motor can be slid back some that way. And that's what that guy said to do that'll fix the belt stalling out problem. So let me try that and I'll get right back with y'all. Alright folks, that did fix it. It's real complicated doing that though because you got to have a ratchet or something on the bottom nut and the top nut. The bottom nut is under here, so you just have to turn it on the side. And then trying to push that motor back and hold it back while you bolt is pretty hard. I had to wedge. I stuck this in there and wedged this in between it. Seemed to work out fine. And pressed down pretty hard on it. Now I don't have the accurate or whatever the word is I'm looking for. Let me get y'all back off zoom here. Adequate. I don't have the adequate amount of power run out here. I've got everything in this shop running off of one drop cord. Now, I know that's bad, that ain't good and all that stuff. But it's going to be like that until we get our new place. We're supposed to be moving, so I ain't doing any kind of upgrading at this little 10 by 12 shop. But with the amount of power I got, to do just fine. So yeah, I like it a lot. Another thing that guy had said that he fixed was, and I'm not going to pull this one off and do nothing with it, the vacuum part here where you hook a vacuum hose up to. He said it didn't suck out enough dust, people were saying. So he just drilled bigger holes in it. It's got a little screen thing on it with little holes in it. So he just drilled bigger holes in it and said that worked better. That's it. So if you want to get you one of these Harborfreight ones, they're really good. Not at first, but after you adjust the belts and stuff, it's good. And basically all you got to do, like I said, is loosen those 4 bolts that's holding the motor down and push the motor back. And then it works 10 times better. Alright, we'll get back with y'all later.